Today I have a recipe hailing from the royal kitchens of Rajasthan, which is Hare Masale ki Gatte Ki Sabzi. I'm going to start with boiling a pot of water and then make the dough for the gattas. Bring this to a boil. 1 cup of gram flour or besan, half a teaspoon of Coriander Seed Powder, 1/4 teaspoon Turmeric Powder, half teaspoon Red Chilli Powder, 1/4 teaspoon roasted Cumin Seed Powder or Jeera Powder, 1/4 teaspoon Garam Masala Powder, salt to taste, a tablespoon of curd, also a tablespoon of oil. Give all these ingredients a good mix and make a dough. Half a teaspoon of ajwain or carom seeds. Use very little water to make this dough. And this dough is ready. Grease your fingers a little as well as the board. Take a portion of the dough. Roll it into a 1/2 inch dia log. Let's cut it into half. Keep it aside. In this way, roll out the logs. Make sure the water is boiling. Very carefully drop the gattas in it and let this boil for a good 10 to 12 minutes. Let's quickly make the hara masala. Just a very simple hara masala. I have a piece of ginger here, 6 to 8 cloves of garlic, 3 green chillies, a cup of coriander leaves. Grind all these ingredients into a fine paste. The gattas should be ready. Once you see that it's cooked from the center, just bring them out and cool them. Cool them down. All the prep is done. Let's start cooking. Turn on the flame. Heat a tablespoon of ghee. Add in a teaspoon of ajwain or carom seeds, 2 dry chilies, 1/4 teaspoon hing or Asafoetida, 1 tablespoon of gram flour and roast it slightly. Roast it till it changes color. Next, add in the green paste. Give it a stir. Saute the paste for a few seconds. Next, add in a cup of curd. Quickly whisk it in and keep stirring vigorously. Whisk the curd properly. Add in half a teaspoon of coriander seed powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder, salt to taste. Whisk it in. Let's add in 1.5 cups of water and bring this to a boil. The gattas have cooled down. Let's cut them into 1/2 inch pieces. The curry is boiling. Let's add in the gattas and let them boil for 5 minutes. Let's add in a tablespoon of kasuri methi. Give it a final stir and turn off the flame. Time to plate. Enjoy this with your favorite chapatis or paratha or even rice and let me know how it turned out. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.